NoteGPT is the ultimate academic toolkit designed to transform how students, educators, and professionals handle information. From summarizing lectures to creating visuals, it streamlines study and work processes, making complex tasks simpler and more efficient. For students, NoteGPT summarizes lectures, creates flashcards, and provides instant writing feedback. It even turns lessons into podcasts with a consistent teaching voice, so you can review anywhere. This tool helps structure studies, improve grades, and boost confidence before exams. University lecturers use NoteGPT daily to generate lecture summaries, slides, and custom test questions tailored to student needs. Consultants rely on it to quickly grasp complex reports and create polished presentations. The visual note feature clarifies ideas for client meetings, saving valuable time. Researchers benefit from NoteGPT's ability to summarize academic PDFs, extract key ideas, and organize insights visually. It supports literature reviews, data analysis, and proposal writing. Professionals in finance use it to distill reports, visualize trends, and enhance client communications efficiently. Whether you're studying, teaching, researching, or consulting, NoteGPT acts like a Swiss Army knife for academics and professionals alike, boosting productivity and making information easier to manage every day.